Amongst all the global issues, civil wars, financial crisis, terrorism, a brand new threat appears, the battle cats. We found it too hard to fight back because these cats are too cute. We are powerless to the weaken. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm gonna play Battle Cats. And yeah, this game is one of my childhood games I used to play. And again, it's been a while since I played this game, so let's go. Korea. The battle begins. Attack the enemy base. Okay. About cats. Tap this icon to produce a cat. Yeah, I know. About cats, you need money, not real. Duh. To produce cat, wait until enough it save up. Okay. 50. What is that? Cat coin? Cats attack the enemy base automatically. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna name him Tom. Let's go, Tom. This one is Billy. This one's Billy. Tom and Billy, let's go. This one is Jimmy. Just kill them, please. Come on, kill them. Okay, you can do this, Tom. Billy's go. Yeah, y'all. We're winning this. We're winning this easy peasy level squeezer. Fire the cannon. What? Fire the cat cannon. An icon appears when the cat cannon is ready to fire. Lure the enemies into fire range and then fire. The enemy is not in the fire range. It's okay. Victory! Let's go! Treasure superior kimchi. Receive. Y'all, we got 2000 XP. We can upgrade our cats. What the heck? Oh, look, we got 10,000 XP, bro. Wow. Oh, y'all, we're playing slot. Nah, y'all, I'm a good person. I'm never gonna play. Oh, y'all. Yo, we got the golden cat. How many? 1,000 god dang cat food. Let's go. Bonus spin? What? I will never. By the way, y'all, never do gambling. Gambling is bad. I did that accidentally. And the most important thing, I'm gonna upgrade my wallet and efficiency and health too. But most important is efficiency and wallet for me. For y'all, I don't know. Out of XP, one mission. Okay, y'all got a mission. Mongolia. Let's go. The battle begins. Okay. Oh, there's another dog. Kitty cat. Oh, I'm vibing right now. I forgot their name and I'm just gonna call them Sausage Cat. Yeah, Sausage Cat. Let's go, wee cat. Wait, is that a snake? Oh yeah, that's a snake. That's a goddamn snake. Victory, let's go. Gain 2600 XP, let's go. I think we're gonna upgrade Tank Cat. Yeah. Should we upgrade the cat cannon range? Yeah, I think we're gonna upgrade it. China. Let's go to China, y'all. I like how they walk. Like they walk like crab. Attack. Let's go, get away. Let's go. Victory, gain 3200 XP. Treasure. Imperial shark fin. Receive. What? There is a new cat, y'all. There's a goddamn new cat. Where is it? Axe cat. Gonna upgrade him. Okay. Level 4. Thailand. We're going to Thailand. Battle begins. Wait, I want to save up for the axe cat. Okay, I think I'm enough money. Let's go. Dang, let's go. No, Ascal is OP. Ascal is OP. Bro, look at him. He's axing everybody. Hey, yo. Ascal is... What the heck is this, Stickman? There's a goddamn Stickman. What? Yo, got 2000 XP, let's go. Yeah, I think I want to upgrade the X-Cat one and the efficiency and wallet. Dang it. Why you guys so expensive? Cambodia. The battle begins. I'm gonna call him Timmy. Let's go, Timmy. Gonna do this solo, okay? Dang, Timmy is OP, y'all. Timmy is the strongest. Okay, maybe not. Y'all, the best trio. One mission's completed. Let's go. And victory too. Okay, what mission did we... Dang, how many XP did we get? Oh, how many XP did we get? How many is that? 2,000? No. 20,000. It's goddamn 20,000. Oh gosh. Y'all we're gonna upgrade so much stuff now. Then I'm gonna upgrade the axe cat. I think this is the best. Dang it, this is so close. Philippines. The battle begins. And I'm gonna save up for the axe cat. Boom. Let's go. Come on, axe cat. Come on. Oh, I thought he's gonna do the one hit. Y'all, there's a goddamn new cat. Okay, what's the new cat? Ghost cat? He's not ghost. He just have long legs. Special cat. The cat god. Ninja cat? Okay, we're gonna buy this. We're gonna buy it. We still have a lot. We still have 1,125 cat food. The organized menu has been unlocked. You can now organize the cats you want to bring into battle. Oh, okay, that's good. I want to upgrade him. Boom, boom. Oh. Organic. Okay, we're gonna put the ninja cat. Japan. Okay, we're gonna put the ninja cat. Is he OP or not? Dang, he's fast. He's not that strong, but he's fast. Damn, why ghost cat is so expensive? 400? Okay, let's go. Ninja cat, let's go ninja cat. What the heck? Hippo! It's the goddamn hippo! No! Oh no, ghost cat! Come on! Let's go, ghost cat! Oh no, y'all, I think we're gonna die! I think we're gonna die! Come on, axe cat! Come on, axe cat! Come on, please! Oh, dang it! Oh! Come on, ghost cat! Beat the goddamn hippo! Come on, ninja cat and axe cat! Let's go! Okay, we killed the goddamn hippo. Let's go, we killed the hippo. Okay, we're totally winning this. We totally winning this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. 2 missions completed. Let's go. You unlock the cat seeker. What? The cat what? We just unlocked so much things. Okay, you got an item. 1 cat ticket received. Dang, a golden ticket. Yo, I hope we gonna pull a Uber Super. What the heck? Oh, what? What is this? Okay. Y'all, finally, Ascat's gonna be the max level. Boom. Brave cat. Okay, try once. Let's go. What do we get? What do we get? 5,000 XP is good. Okay, 5,000 XP is good. Okay. Try once. Golden ticket. Let's go. Oh, we got a top. Please give me a Superman. Let's go. What the heck? Yo. Uber Superman. Damn, let's go. Let's go. We got so lucky. Should we gamble it? No, y'all. I think we're gonna do this safe. Oopsies. Dang it. I accidentally touched it up. I definitely didn't. Okay, what did it get? What is that? A pirate cat? Yeah, a pirate cat. What's this? Jojo. I think this is Jojo cat. Yeah. The Line Coin cat. Oh, hey, I remember this. I remember this. When I was a kid, I loved playing with this cat because this cat is OP. I remember this cat being also OP. What is this? Boxer cat? Walter White. Walter White? That's Walter White? Oh dang, super rare. Dang. Viking cat. Yo, we got a cowboy cat. I'm a lonely cowboy. What the heck are you? Wheel cat. Still cat. Bishop cat. Dang it. Oopsies. For Uber. Please give me a Uber. Dang it. What is this? A couple cat? Figure skating cat. Okay. Y'all, we still have this. We're gonna finish 3 times. Okay, not that bad. But a flying cat. Bird cat, yeah. Lizard cat. I know this one. Lizard cat, yeah. Are you gonna go to the storage? Dang, look, you have so much cat. But where's the Uber Superman? There she is. Boom! I got dang Uber Super. What? Uber Super Duper Duper. The Line Coin cat. And the Lonely Cowboy cat. Oh, this cat. I love this guy. I love this guy. This guy is so cool. And Walter White. We gotta put Walter White cat. We're super rare cat. But I think we doesn't have enough. Yeah. Let's go, Australia. We're gonna fight spiders. Okay, I'm gonna save up for the brave cat first. Come on, brave cat. Dang. Okay, 1 hit. Come on, 1 hit. Oh, it's not 1 hit. I'm a lonely cowboy. Dang it, Stickman. God dang, Stickman is fine. Bro, the goddamn Stickman. Okay, I want to use the relax cat. Boom. This. Come on, let's go. I remember This guy is like one hit everything. Like, look, he always one hit everybody. Come on. He's like JoJo. That one character in JoJo, I forgot his name. Dang it, he didn't see what he done. I want to see. Yeah, he like JoJo. Look, he's like JoJo. Okay, all, I think that's it for today's video. Bye.